This video will cover Seafoam motor treatment on a Volvo 240 B230F. This can be completed over lunch. Run the engine until operating temperature to warm the intake. Turn off the engine and open the hood. Disconnect the hose clamp securing the intake boot to the intake manifold on the driver's side of the engine. Insert the red straw about 1/4 of an inch into the intake so that its output is facing the engine. Refit the intake boot over the red straw and gently secure with the hose clamp. Connect the red straw to the outlet of the Seafoam canister and start your engine. Use one hand to advance the throttle to approximately 2000 RPM, while using your other hand to depress the canister to deploy the Seafoam. During this procedure, you will notice dense white smoke coming out of your exhaust. Spray continuously at this RPM until the contents are empty. Once complete, shut off the engine, remove the red straw, and reassemble the intake boot to the manifold. Let the engine hot soak for 10 minutes. Drive your car under load for approximately 10 to 20 minutes, with spirited and varying acceleration to burn off remaining residue. If you are planning to change your oil soon, this is a good opportunity to apply Seafoam to your crankcase. The directions call for 1 to 1.5 ounces of Seafoam for every ounce of oil. Remove the oil cap and apply approximately 4 ounces of Seafoam for your B230F engine, then reapply your cap. Drive your car approximately 100 to 300 miles, change your oil, and you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.